Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to make a sign up and login system in JavaScript. Alright, so before I actually start making it, I do want to mention that this system does not include encryption or anything like that. Like the more advanced steps of security is strictly just JavaScript and the simple things to make a login and sign up system. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. And hope you enjoy. Alright, let's get started. So first you want to go and let users equal and then brackets. This is going to be the array that holds all the users. Then we're going to make function sign up username password. After this, we're going to say const user is equal to, and then curly braces, username in brackets is equal to username. User password is equal to password. And then we can go users.push user. And then we can just console.log with users. Now we can create our next function called login. And this also is going to have the parameters of username and password. And in here, we're going to need to create a for loop. So I is equal to 0. I is less than users dot length I plus plus. And then we can just do an if statement. If users I dot username is equal to username, and then if users I dot password is equal to password, then console dot log logged in users I. Okay, and that is really all you need. If you want to add like a something to say like, oh, you got your password wrong, you could make like an else statement right here and say console.log incorrect password or something like that. But yeah, that's basically all you need. Now what we can do is go down here and create sign up Joe. His password is going to be 123, and he is going to log in to the account of Joe with the password of 123. Okay, so now if we run this using Node, or just Node dot, it comes with the list of all the users, and it says we have logged in, and then it gives us the information on the account. So if I were to misspell this, let's say we spell it 122 and run it again, it is going to say incorrect password. This runs anyway, it runs up here when you first sign up, so there's nothing wrong. Incorrect password, and yeah, we could make multiple accounts. Let's say Joe's some friends. Their names are Billy and Bob. They all use the same password, and they're all going to log into their accounts as well. Alright, Billy, Bob, run that again, and we'll get 3 people. I'm sorry, did I? Yes, I did misspell. Or didn't misspell, I just forgot to change. Okay, let's run that again. Alright, there we go. So here, the list of users is first, Joe, second, Joe and Billy, third, Joe, Billy, and Bob, and then it says logged in, Joe, logged in, Billy, logged in, Bob. So what you would do in a conventional website, using HTML, you could make like a function called well, actually, you wouldn't actually use the parameters. You could just set the username to like document dot get element by ID, username input dot value, and do the same thing for password. But yeah, so that's basically everything in this. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. And yeah, if you could leave a like, subscribe, that would help out greatly. Alright, see you later. Have a great day.